Controlling DALI drivers from the TIS Keypad. To control each DALI driver channel from the TIS Keypad, select the keypad and go to the key settings. For DALI common type DT6 drivers, use the single channel light at command type. Select the room, channel, intensity, and running time, then press Config. You'll see the addresses in the middle area. Press Save when done. To test the Program button, press it to turn the light on or off, or long press to adjust the channel. For DALI DT8 color temperature drivers, you will need two commands. For the first command, control the brightness by selecting Single Channel Light, then type the subnet and device ID of the DALI driver, enter the driver channel number, and set the brightness and fade time. For the second command, control the Kelvin color. Use the same command type, DALI controller subnet, and device ID address. In the channel field, add 100 to the existing channel. For example, if the driver channel is 6, use channel 106. Use separate buttons for each command so that a long press will dim the brightness or change the color temperature. For DALI DT8 RGBW drivers, you will need two commands. 1. The first to control the color. Choose HSB RGB as the command type, select the room and channel number, choose the color in HSL, and set the fade time. Then press Config. You'll see the addresses in the middle area. Press Save when done. 2. The second command to control the white brightness. Use the same RGB HSB command and add 100 to the channel number. For example, if the driver channel is 5, the address would be 105. Set the brightness to 100%. Some keypads with LCD screens, such as the Titania and Luna models, contain an RGBW page. To configure this page to control the DT8 RGBW driver, open the keypad, go to the RGB Settings tab. If the panel supports two RGB pages, select the first page as an example. Choose the HSB RGB setting, enter the subnet device ID of the DALI system, and set the driver's address. If the RGB control is used by a DALI DT6 common type driver or a DMX module, select TIS RGB and enter the subnet and device ID of the DALI or DMX module, followed by the channel numbers for red, green, blue, and white. To test the RGB page, go to the panel, swipe through the light pages to reach the RGB page, select the color, and press on.